Hey guys, so today we're gonna be filming a brand new video, and if you guys can't guess already, we're gonna be doing a look using the new Edna collection with Ciate London. It's a little cute little interactive little palette, so I'm so excited to show you guys everything in this collection. If you want to see how this look turns out, everything in this collection, then just keep on watching. Before we get into the cute little tutorial, I kind of wanted to show you guys everything that is in this collection in case you guys are wanting to purchase this or anything like that. Here is the Edna collection. This is the palette. It's the Never Look Back palette. Isn't this the cutest palette you've ever freaking seen? At first, this was kind of confusing on how to use it. I thought like you can only use one shade at a time, but you can literally take every single one out. Like you just have to turn it. So it's like a really interactive palette. You guys could just like use this section, or you can like section it out and just use the other section. I think it's really cool. I think if anyone that's a beginner too, if y'all like don't know what type of color story to go in with, you guys could just like section it out and kind of just like go from there. This is gonna be $39 my price, so I'll leave all the prices converted down below because it's a little bit different. Like it's like $35 like UK price and all that. So guys, everything gonna be in the description bar as far as prices that are gonna be converted in case you guys are gonna want to know about that. So yeah, the palette is $39 for me. Have here some really cute, these are the does it say what they like the terms are? I think they're just gel liners, but they're just gel liners. And we have here the shade Fight, Win, and Be Bold. So we have like a cute little orange and blue, and I love how the tops are actually mismatched. Actually, I think that's really cute. I mean usually with my OCD I'm like, girl, that's annoying, but these blues aren't even the same, so it doesn't even make sense, but it's super cute. And these are gonna run you $19 each, I think. I think they're $19 each. If, like I said, I'll leave everything in the description bar. And then lastly, we have this really cool item. This is called the Weightless Lip Shadow, and it's like a really cool, like it says, it's like a lip shadow. And I've actually been using this for like the past 3 or 4 days, and I actually really do like this. It's super cool. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it with like my nude lip because it's a little bit easier. I think with like this type of lip color that I have on going on, like my natural lip color, it doesn't really show, like you can't really see pigment or anything, but it's super cute nonetheless. I think it's a really cool little addition to the collection. I'll show you guys how to use this later on, and this is actually $20, which I think is a little much for this, but I mean for this type of collection I would purchase it anyways, maybe, because it's a really cool unique product. I'll show you guys how to try it and play with it a little. I think it's a really cool product I've never really seen. Unless you've seen it before, let me know. I have never seen anything like this. So what I'm gonna show you guys the whole palette in its whole glory. So I told you guys on Instagram, if you guys don't follow me, I told everyone on Instagram to pick out like a quad moment. Like I didn't know if I wanted to go in with the blue moment or like a red and orange or both. And you know what? It was like it was a good like tie between all of them, to be honest. So I'm just gonna go in with both blue section and then the red and orange. I'm just gonna do the blue and purple on top and then the red and orange on bottom, just so I can use every shade in here. I want to show you guys every single shadow in here. And of course I'm going to be doing another look on my Instagram. Y'all usually see the first tutorial, of course. Y'all YouTube fam always sees the first tutorial, but on my Instagram you'll always get the second and third look on there, so you guys want to go check that out. Of course, brand new look. Let's just get into the tutorial. I'm going to start going into this little first section moment, and this is in the shade Marvelous and Explain Yourself. But I think we're going to go in with the shade Explain Yourself first because that's just what it's calling me. So I'm just going to go in with that. I'm just going to do a little swirl moment. I wish like one of the squares had like a mirror in there. It would be a little bit easier, but whatever, it's okay. I can already tell this is going to be a really easy look. And a little masterclass. If you guys don't know who Katie is, I'll leave her right here. She is such an amazing makeup artist, and we did a little masterclass with her, I think 2 or 3 days ago, and she did like this kind of look, almost like what I'm doing today, but she didn't do the under eye that I'm going to do. It's on the top. She did like a purple with the blue kind of sticking out, and then she did like the shade Yes in the center of the lid. And I think I'm going to do that. Go into that shade Marvelous, that blue shade, which I should swatch. I'm going to swatch them for you guys. Let me just like, I wanted to like kind of do the look first. This is like a unicorn cotton candy dream. And I love cotton candy. If you guys don't know, cotton candy is like one of my favorites. It is so pretty. Is this like a shimmer or a matte? Let's swatch it. Now this I will swatch for you guys right now. Be careful on that shade Yes. Mine did arrive shattered, but you know, I just put it back in place. It was nothing too crazy. Like it was totally fine. And then here is that purple shade in the middle. And they're like lighter pastels, like for sure. We're just gonna smoke her out. We're gonna go back with that purple. We're just gonna blend these two edges together. A bunch of you guys want to see story times on my page, which is so interesting because I've always thought about doing story times. But I was like, I don't think you guys are gonna want to listen. But if y'all are down for some story times, let me know. I have some crazy ones. I've been thinking about doing this one that I just regret. But we'll talk about that because that was a couple years ago. I'm gonna go in with that shade right here. We're just gonna, again, I wish I had a mirror right in front of me so I could just pop that on. And we're just gonna pop that in the center. We're gonna bring it all the way up to the brow bone. This is a softer eye for me. Like if y'all have been on my page before, like this is the softest colorful eye look I've ever done. Like this is like super soft for me, but you know what? It's something. It's something for sure. Okay, so now we're gonna go in here with this little red orange moment. Start with that red shade. So this is a, let's see, this is a matte or like a satin shade. So yeah, it's like a satiny matte type of color. It's like a red, very like natural. It's like a natural red. Like I feel like this isn't too crazy. If y'all are scared of a red color, it's like the best red for you because it's light. It's not too scary. It's not too intimidating. I'm just gonna pop that right here. Oh, I'm scared. This is gonna be a little too much, but we're just gonna go for it. Edna goes for anything. She ain't scared of anything, so not too bad. It's not like the brightest red, which like I said again, it's like a nice natural red. Like I would wear this, you know what I mean? Like I hate reds on me sometimes. Well, I just personally don't. I think I don't look good in reds, you know what I mean? But you know, I think this isn't too bad. Like I like it. I'm gonna go into that shade called Listen Closely, which is that really bright orange. This one is definitely obviously a shimmer. Go underneath with that red and just blend underneath so it's not like harsh edges. We're gonna go in to Milan, darling. And that one I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a really gorgeous color. Look at that. That's like a really wet shimmer. That's like a gold, it's like a gold champagne shade. A little bit on the bronzier side, but oh, y'all can see that. There you go. Y'all can see the undertone. It's a little bit more on the bronzy side, bronzy side. And you know what? That's not too bad. We're just gonna pop that in the inner corner. So we're just gonna go in with that purple and just add that in this part instead of that gold, just because I feel like that's even a little bit brighter. So we'll go in with that. Right, so now we have here the gel liners, you guys. These are super cute. We have here, it doesn't have the shade names on the actual packaging, which that is kind of annoying. On the box, the shade Be Bold is the orange shade, the orange red, and then Fight Win is the blue. So we're gonna go obviously with the blue all on the top and then the orange and red on the outer part. So I saw Katie use these and they looked super creamy, so I'm very excited to try these out. I'm gonna go over my line with this. Usually I always go in with like a liquid liner, but the way Katie used these, they look so buttery, and they definitely are. Yeah, not too bad. I honestly really like the way that looked. It was definitely creamy though. I'm not lying, it actually was pretty creamy. I was thinking it was gonna be a little bit more on the dragging side because y'all know how eyeliners get. The shade Be Bold. It's like that red color, and we're just gonna start kind of like following that line a little bit, but not too much. And just blend that red in. Yeah, I definitely think I should have just done the blue and purple, to be honest. But I think I just really wanted to show you guys all the colors and all the shades in this collection. You know, I can definitely see this look being like way better. All right, guys, so now we're gonna go in here with the blushes, and we have here the shade No Capes, and then we have the shade Heroic right here. So let's swatch this one. The first one, the shade No Capes, has like a little bit of a shimmer in there, pink, and then the other one is like a more like peachier mauve nude. It's like a peachy nude. And that one is like a matte shade. This is like a 4-in-1 type of brush, or like 3-in-1 type of brush. And I'm just gonna go in with the shade Heroic first. And it's like a matte shade. We're just gonna pop this on one cheek. But yeah, so we're gonna go in with that. And of course, I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. I just wanted to kind of like do everything in one take. God, I love that blush. So freaking pretty. Love that color too. So we're gonna pop a little bit of that. And then we're gonna go into that shade No Capes. I like how I used every single shade, but again, there's only like 6 eyeshadows and 2 blushes, so not surprised. I feel like I'm always saying super cute to everything, but literally, like, I mean, what else do you say to stuff that's like super cute? Like, wow, gorgeous, love that, super stunning. but it's freaking Disney, so it's like, it's cute, you know what I mean? That's pretty much it, you guys. I don't have no highlight or anything, so that's pretty much it for that freaking eye. I'm gonna go do the rest of my face off camera, and then I'm gonna come back to do the lips with you guys with the new lip shadow. So I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, you guys, so now that we're done with the whole face and eyes, I put on these little cute little mini lashes. These are from Carity Beauty, or just Carity, and these are Jalessa. These are super cute. They're like 33 foam ink lashes, and I think they're really cute little natural lash. I didn't want to go too bold, which is super crazy because y'all know me, if y'all been on my page before, I do bold lashes, so it was a little different for me, but I'm actually loving these. Super cute. Now we're gonna go in here with the lip shadow, and again, this is, I believe, let's get the right number price for you guys because I want to make sure I tell you guys everything. This is going to cost you $20. I just want you guys to see how small it is, so the size of my eye. I'm going to be showing you guys, so this is how it looks. The shade, it's like a really pretty, like rosy, oh, it's right here. It's like this really pretty rosy mauve shade. It's like I said, I've been using this for about 3-4 days now, and I freaking love it. And it's so cool and unique. But again, I don't know if you guys have tried these before, so I don't know if you guys would like this. So you can either go in here with your finger, and you can see it applies like a little bit of color from the masterclass, like from Katie. She just went in with a brush, and she just like went in and like applied it like this. And then she just applied it on her lips for like a blurred lip look. Look at that. You can see like it has like a really nice flush of color. These are really good, I think, for like those natural days, for like a good swipe of color. Really, it's turning my lips to like this color. And I only muted my lips so you guys can see it better, because I think if I did this with like my regular natural lip color, it would definitely disappear. You guys wouldn't see it. You guys are, I don't think a lot of people are gonna like these, because again, it's like a lip shadow. So it's not like, you know, I don't know if it's worth y'all's money, to be honest, because again, it's so little, but it's so cool. Like, it's such a cool product and unique. Like, I've never tried a lip shadow before, and for me personally, for first impressions, or like for me been using it for the past week, I actually have really been loving this. Alright, you guys, so that is the end of this look. Oh my god, you guys, I actually had so much fun doing this look. And again, I'm gonna do a little like little Edna little ending here. Like, look at that. Isn't that super cute? Like, super cute glasses. It's a whole vibe. I think Edna, I think she'd be really proud. So guys, I really hope you guys like this video. Of course, I think honestly, I think everything in here is super cute. I usually, with my reviews, I like to usually just kind of like go with the review as I'm going in with the product. So by the end of the video, I kind of just recapped on everything. I just kind of let you guys know what's a tea. I loved everything, of course, but that's just because I'm very biased, because I love Disney and I can never say bad things about Disney. Of course, there are some bad collections, and I would let you guys know some bad collections. This one's not a bad one. It's just like kind of like, if you like it, you don't. If you don't like it, you don't. You know what I mean? It's kind of like one of those situations. I personally really like it. I think it's a really cute little palette. It has like everything in there. And yeah, it's really cute. I really love the look I came up with. Of course, like I said, if you guys want to see more looks with this palette, of course, at Brendan Lux. So guys, if you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below any video suggestions you have for me. And of course, if no one told you you're beautiful, you're beautiful. Okay, bye guys.